Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Learn to speak in English in auto mechanic workshop. Hi, my car won't start. Can you help me? Sure. What happens when you turn the key? It just makes a clicking sound. Is that serious? It could be the battery. How old is it? It's about 3 years old. Should I replace it? We can test it first. Do you have any other issues with the car? Yes, the check engine light is on. What could that mean? It could indicate several things. Do you remember when it came on? It came on last week. Have you noticed any unusual sounds? Just the clicking when starting. Have you checked your oil level recently? No, I haven't. Should I? Yes, low oil can cause engine problems. Would you like me to check it? Yes, please. How long will the inspection take? It should take about 30 minutes. Would you like to wait? I'll wait. Do you have a waiting area? Yes, we have a comfortable waiting room with Wi-Fi. Great. What services do you offer here? We offer oil changes, brake repairs, and tire services. What do you need most? I might need an oil change soon. How often should I get that done? Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles is ideal. When was your last one? It was about 4 months ago. Should I switch to synthetic oil? Yes, it's better for your engine. Are you interested in that? Definitely. How do you handle customer feedback? We take it seriously and strive to improve. Have you visited us before? No, this is my first time. Do you offer warranties on repairs? Yes, we provide a warranty on most services. Would you like to know more? Yes, that would be helpful. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Hope see you again. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.